Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I have a happy meal all the way from Bulgaria from Eli Nefrit. We will leave her link below. She is a fantastic doll channel that you will need to go look at. She's a lot of fun. I have had this for a while, and I am very anxious to look inside. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, what did you send here? Happy mail, Eli Nefrit. Oh, she's got a bicycle on it. If you don't know my channel, my husband and I are cyclists. Oh, it's in a kitty can. String-free beads. Happy mail. Let me see if I can get this open. Oh, I love it. There's a little teapot and a cupcake. How cute is that? Love it. I read the note, and she's such a sweetheart. I read the note, and I am thrilled. I just wanted to make sure it didn't say what was in here. Sometimes I don't want to know. I want to be surprised. Let's see what we got. Oh, how fun is this? They're all wrapped. I love happy. Oh, wow. Ignore the uneven hand stitches. Oh, I'm sure they're not. She sent shoes. Shoes along with, oh my goodness, look at this little bag. There is something in there, and I'm wondering if it's just to hold it. I'm afraid to pull that. Let me put my glasses on for this. I think it's sewn shut. Yeah, I think it, I'm gonna look at it, but in a minute. I wanna see this. Oh, wow, look at the little dress she made. Isn't that cute? Look at the little tiny, tiny buttons. She put snaps on it. She is not a fan of Velcro and not afraid to tell you so on her channel. I love her. Oh, that is so cute. All right, let me see. Knowing Eli, this will be an actual button. Okay. Yep, it looks like it is. I'm going to very careful. I don't want to tear it up. My nails are a mess on the camera up close. All right, I very, very carefully. I kind of thought there was something in here because, oh wow. She made a little book. How cute is this? Hey Marna, love Eli. Oh, how cute is this? Oh, that is adorable. It feels like there's something else in here. There is. Oh, a teeny weeny banana. But what's amazing is she made this little tiny, this button is just tiny. Here's Barbie shoes. That's how big it is. And she made it work. There's an actual itty bitty buttonhole there. Wow, that is so cute. That is adorable. Your handwork is beautiful. Oh, let's see. Oh, here's a rubber band. I save all the rubber bands. Oh, wow. Maybe good for the Blythe belt. How cute. Oh, how cute is that? I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I love this tiny stuff. Oh my goodness, I bet she made this. Look at this backpack. And I bet this, nope, it's got a little snap. Love it. How cute is that? I don't know if you're noticing, but I am doing snaps. For back to school, put cotton or paper in to fill to shape. How, and I'm going to leave this note in there because then I remember it came from you in years to come. But look at this. Chain for the straps. How cool and delicate is that? That is very cool. And it has 2 hooks that they move through for sizing on the dolls. That is very cool. That way your doll's arms don't get pulled. And wait, there's more in the same little pack. Man, this is, I'm loving this. I love Happy Meal. Don't we all just love, oh wow, shoes. Oh my goodness, I bet she made these thrifted, but I never found a doll to fit them. I hope you do. Well, isn't that cool? I bet I have dolls that these will fit. I'm not so sure those wouldn't fit my 12-inch BJDs. I don't know. They might be a little big, but we will try. So check it out. 2 pairs of shoes, guys. Aren't we always looking for shoes? I love that. She said the cat food can was washed. I had no doubt. I was sure that she wasn't just gonna empty the cat food, let it lick it, and then send something. Oh, wow. This came a long way. She was telling me that this could be a blue fairy and needed a made-to-move body. I am betting she did a face-up on that doll. She does absolutely gorgeous face-ups. I wonder if she didn't dye that hair. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. And there's more. Oh, wow. There's a lot more. I always have trouble with these hidden edges. Here we go. Okay, for pull strings, and the black choker with the hearts looks like a belt for bigger dolls. String free, let me very careful. You know what, I'm gonna tear, I'm not gonna cut. Let's see what we have here. I wanna very carefully open. Oh, wow. That would be a really cool belt. I wonder how that would look on one of my American Girl dolls. We're gonna have to check that out. Oh, that's really pretty.
Or my size Barbie, maybe?
You know what? I wonder if that fit my 28-inch Barbie. I'm not sure. I bet you're right though, I bet the other. And bracelet. Oh, look at these. Oops, oops, oops. I don't wanna lose any. I'm gonna have to get a bag for these straight away. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I like these, look like they're broken glass beads. Makes me think of Annie, who am I thinking? Oh, doll for your dolls. Isn't that adorable? I love that. And, oh, wow. I bet she did this. Painted directly with paint on wood. This is Ellie's artwork. Oh, wow. To have a piece of this, I cannot thank you enough. That is absolutely, it's gorgeous. It is just gorgeous. Wow, that is just gorgeous. Thank you so much. There's little packages. Let me make sure. Yep, got them all. Postscript, as I was picking up and reading this lovely note, I found this. And isn't that cute? It's Happy Mail for a doll. Just adorable. Wow. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your craftsmanship and your art. The tiny button working. Oh, that's, wow. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I can't say enough about the doll community on YouTube. This came from Bulgaria all the way to mid-USA. I am like right in the middle of the USA. and I'm overwhelmed. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe.